what?
Where are you guys going? Head back here. This is what this guy's doing. Oh yeah, he's running after you. Come in. Attack him. Ooh. Yeah, I think that's right. Oh yeah. Big old butt. Ooh. Looking for food.
I remember watching a viral video here, and it was about one of the bears. It was in the water, and a bunch of fish thought of how this happened.
You can have some snacks. There you go. Oh, that's good. There we go. See what they play. Oh, that's good, eh? So, hey, Timmy. Don't do that. He stand up on his feet. That's good.